and welcome to Research Bites, your daily dose of science news. The Western Ghats are renowned for its mesmerizing beauty, lofty mountains, dense forests, and rolling grasslands. But it seems like we've been losing all this in the past few years. Grasslands have a complicated past in India. They have been recognized as wastelands throughout most of history and have been given away for agricultural and other developmental projects without us truly realizing the uniqueness and importance of this ecosystem. But are they really wastelands? In a recent study that was published in the journal Biological Conservation, researchers looked at satellite images to analyze how changes in the land use have affected the Shola grasslands of the Western Ghats. The Shola grasslands are a unique ecosystem of rolling grasslands at high altitudes surrounded by dense humid forests. Many of the populations that inhabit the high altitude grasslands are separated from other populations and are of direct descent from their ancestors without much genetic mixing. The researchers found that about 60% of the Western Ghats landscape had transformed in the last 45 years. A huge chunk of the grasslands, 516 kilometers square, has been lost since 1978, and 88% of this loss has been on the mountain tops of the Nilgiris and the Annamalai Palani ranges of Tamil Nadu. Plantations with exotic trees like eucalyptus, acacia and pine that were grown for timber were found to be the leading factor that resulted in the decline of the Shola grasslands. Although active planting of exotic trees in the region has been prohibited since 1996, the researchers found that even after almost a quarter of a century, these trees continued to spread and alter the landscape. Other threats in the region included agriculture, tea plantations, cane plantations, and human settlements. While talking about the need to conserve these shrinking grasslands, the researchers call for action to restore them. Most of the conservation efforts are still focused on the Shola forests, but the grasslands face a much more severe threat. This does not mean the mindless planting of more trees in a region that is not intended to be a forest. We need to understand the complexities of ecosystems like grasslands or wastelands that seem to be devoid of life but still play a significant role. The loss of habitats impacts wild birds, mammals, and also affects human livelihood. So replacing them with habitats that look more productive, like forests, will lead to more harm than good. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. This podcast was brought to you by Research Matters, a SciComm initiative by Gubbi Labs. For more science-based stories, podcasts, and news, log on to our website www.researchmatters.in.